In today's video, we're gonna talk about how to start a blog on WordPress and make money. Are you passionate about a certain topic? Do you love sharing your knowledge with others? Then, starting a blog on WordPress is the perfect platform for you. And guess what? You can even make money from it. WordPress is a popular and user-friendly platform ideal for beginners. It allows you to create a blog without any technical knowledge, and it's free. All you need is a domain name and hosting service. First, let's talk about getting a domain name. This is your blog's address on the web. It's unique to your blog and helps people find you online. Make it catchy and relevant to your blog's content. Next, you need a hosting service. This is where your blog files are stored online. There are many hosting providers available, but Hostinger is a popular choice due to its affordability and seamless integration with WordPress. Once you've set up your domain and hosting, install WordPress. Don't worry, it's simple. Hostinger has a one-click WordPress install. Just log into your Hostinger account, find the website section, and click on Install WordPress. Now, the fun part begins. Designing your blog. WordPress offers thousands of free and premium themes. Choose a theme that reflects your blog's topic and your personal style. Remember, a clean and user-friendly design attracts more readers. After designing, it's time to write your first blog post. Make it interesting and engaging. Use visuals to make your content more appealing. Don't forget to use SEO techniques for better visibility on search engines. Now, let's talk about monetizing your blog. There are several ways to do this. The most common way is through affiliate marketing. This is where you promote a product or service on your blog and earn a commission on any sales made through your referral link. Another way to make money is through sponsored posts. Companies will pay you to write a blog post about their product or service. Just make sure you disclose the sponsorship to your readers. You can also make money through display ads. Google AdSense is a popular choice. It pays you every time a visitor clicks on an ad on your blog. The more traffic you have, the more money you can make. Finally, you can sell products or services directly from your blog. This could be an ebook, online course, or consulting services. This can be a lucrative income stream if you have a loyal following. Remember, making money from a blog takes time. You won't start making money overnight. It requires patience, hard work, and consistency. But don't get discouraged, keep blogging, and you'll start to see results. Starting a blog on WordPress and making money from it is not just possible, it's achievable. So, what are you waiting for? Start your blogging journey today and make your passion profitable. In conclusion, blogging on WordPress is a fun and potentially profitable venture. With the right strategies and a lot of dedication, you can turn your passion into a profitable blog. Start today, and happy blogging! If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.